Hello universe! Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! New intro. So now we're heading to the city for Sinulog, but we're going a bit early since my AGT starts on Monday, so I decided to go ahead of time. By the way, I'm with my sister, niece, and my nephew for this trip, just the four of us. My parents couldn't come because our pig just gave birth and someone needs to stay at home to take care of it. So the bus made a quick stop, guys, at the bus stop, of course. And my sister asked me to hold my niece while they went to the restroom with my nephew. So here we are showcasing this adorable cutie. So there's a storm right now, guys, but it's not that strong, just rain throughout the night and some wind. Nothing too intense, thank God. So while we're traveling, let me share the view with you guys as we continue the journey. Here's the view along the way. We just got off here and make a quick stop to buy some food since we were already hungry after a 5-hour trip. The travel took longer because of the rain and there were also a lot of passengers getting on and off, so we had to stop quite often. So I traveled again to visit one of my siblings. I just wanted to drop by and spend some quality time since she has work and couldn't go out or join us, guys. So yeah. And yes, I ended up having a little sleepover because tomorrow I will be exploring on my own since she has work, and the sister I was traveling with earlier will only go out the next day, so I decided to go ahead even if it's just... So now we're going to the Sinulog. So I just took a taxi to get there faster, and as soon as I got out, I spotted this barbecue place, so I decided to eat first to have some energy to walk around later. We need a lot of energy now because I'll be heading back to the Anbantayan right away since I have class. Hopefully, I won't get lost on this trip. So this time, I ran into someone I know and I made them my little videographer for a bit. I was like, hey, can you take a quick video of me? And they agreed, so who am I to get shy? Super creative. Look, cute. So, by the way guys, we actually came back here. We went to the spot earlier. We're now at Magellan's Cross because we couldn't get in through the entrance that Pia and I used when we visited the Basilica last year, but it's all good. We can still hear the mass from her, so no problem at all. So after the mass guys, I went walking around again looking for a place to hang out and then spotted this spot. I actually visited this place a while back, like a couple of years ago, way before COVID. I first saw it when I went out with my sister, but we didn't go in because it was super crowded. So now let's check out the view here guys. So I'm just waiting here for a bit because I also want to take some pictures with them. Oh, it's a nice place. Kitty Karen. For only 30 pesos, you can see this view. Wow. Cute. Creative. Sleeping.
Nasa ni siya yung zipper.
Tote bag for 150. Two bags, then 150 guys. Wow, so so cute. Cebu. Wow, cute. Nice earrings, accessories. Wow, so they're so creative, guys. Look at that. Wow. They're so creative. Nabudol, guys. There's a gallery but it's closed. I can't enter. It looks real. What do you call that fish? Shade.
feedback mo yung ano, pag pinasa pa ng unti. Check. Check. Parang feedback mo. Medyo lang.
Check, check. Pwedeng taas lang ng konti. Vocals mo. Check. Yeah, check.
I thought there was a concert because I heard some music from afar, but it turns out they were just checking their instruments, so I went walking around again to look for something to eat. Guess what I ended up eating? Comment it below, guys. See you again in the next video.